Alright. Finally, into the wiring. After I finished testing everything and making sure it works, I hope. Anyway, I don't have any black. So what I'm doing is just using short ones, short shrink wrap for the ground, and longer ones for the positive. I'll probably get a marker and color them in because it drives me crazy when I see that. I should be soldering these on like I'm soldering all the other wires, but I really don't want to. Abby, what'd you find? Jingle bells. No, stop. But yeah, this is the fun part. I gotta take that off. That no one tells you about when it comes to engineering and electronics and stuff. The tedious work of the tiny stuff can sometimes be troublematic. Alright, that's them done. And I'll connect these up. These two go together. These are my positives, which I'll tie a line into. This is my ground. And then all I'll have left to do is put the battery on. Sorry guys, can you still see? Put the battery on. Hook this up. I'll hook it up somewhere up to there. Here's the trigger. Still only a single pole. That's one way. I need a reverse bed on here. Do this. Wire. Got one wire already wired into the hot lead coming in. Take this wire to the hot lead going into the motors, and that would be my on and off switch for my motors. And then I'll hook the ground wire up, and then these two go to the batteries, and we'll have a connection. And I've got to put my springs on. I haven't figured them out yet. Excuse me. I'm going back and forth with it. I don't know what I'm going to use. So I've got big springs, I got these little springs, I got big springs. But I gotta figure something out because motors will just jerk like that, you know. But anyway, that's it.